Electrocoagulation is a type of water treatment that releases charged particles into the water. These charged particles break the electrical bonds that hold other materials in suspension. These materials then coagulate and become visible to the eye. This video is showing electrocoagulation being performed on three types of water: municipal tap water and bottled spring water on the left, and reverse osmosis water on the right. As you can see, the tap water has a lot of suspended material in it, and the reverse osmosis water does not. There is a slight color change in the reverse osmosis water due to the release of charged particles from the anode of the electrocoagulation device. The spring water also has a lot of material suspended in it. This is normal for spring water, which means it's not really all that pure. The purest water you can buy is treated by reverse osmosis filtration, and if you have a home filtration system, it is very inexpensive compared to any bottled water on the market. Contact the Water Superstore today to learn about their line of reverse osmosis filters and supplies for your home and business needs.